Hello, my friend. I'm Jack, and welcome back to Shadowing English Room, your quiet space, your calm space, your safe space to grow your English voice slowly, gently, naturally. Today, we will explore one of the most important skills for sounding natural, fluent, and confident: phrasing. Phrasing is how native speakers group words together. Phrasing is how English flows. Phrasing is how your sentences become smooth instead of broken, natural instead of robotic, confident instead of unsure. Phrasing is the bridge between learning English and living English. Today, I will guide you through it gently. You will shadow slowly. You will repeat calmly. Your English will begin to flow more like a native speaker's, soft, clear, connected. Take a breath with me. In and out. Let your mind soften. Let your shoulders relax. Let your voice prepare for improvement. Shadow softly. I can learn phrasing. I can speak with flow. I can sound more natural. I can improve step by step. Good. English phrasing is not about long sentences. It's about rhythm. It's about grouping words. It's about breathing in the right places. For example, listen. I want to go. Natural phrasing, I want to go. I don't know. Natural phrasing, I don't know. Let me think. Natural phrasing, let me think. This is phrasing. It's simple but powerful. Shadow gently. I speak in phrases. I speak in groups of words. I speak with flow. Good. Let's warm up your mouth with simple phrases. Repeat after me. Hold on. Just a second. Wait a moment. Sounds good. Not really. Maybe later. That's fine. Let's see. I'm not sure. Feel the softness. Feel the natural flow. This is what native speakers do automatically. Now let's move into conversational phrasing, the phrases you will use every day. Shadow slowly. How's it going? What are you up to? Do you want to grab something to eat? I'll think about it. I'll let you know. That sounds great. That doesn't work for me. I'm okay with that. I'm working on something right now. I'll get back to you. These phrases formed the music of English conversation. Now, let's learn how to breathe inside English sentences. Native speakers don't speak word by word, they speak phrase by phrase. Listen. I want to talk to you. Shadow gently. I want to talk to you. Again. I want to talk to you. Feel the grouping. This grouping removes stress and creates confidence. Now try these. I don't think that's a good idea. Shadow. I don't think that's a good idea. Next one. I need to check something. Shadow. I need to check something. Good. Your English is already flowing better. Let's practice something deeper, emotional phrasing. This is how natives express feelings in everyday conversation. Shadow slowly. I'm really not sure about that. I was thinking the same thing. I don't know how I feel about it. That makes sense. I totally understand. I see what you mean. I appreciate that. That's really helpful. Feel the softness in your tone. That softness is part of native-like flow. Now we move into connected phrasing, phrases that merge into one smooth sound. Shadow gently. What do you want to do? To, what do you want to do? Where did you go? To, where'd you go? Are you gonna come? To, you gonna come? Let me see it. To, let me see it. Give me a moment. To, gimme a moment. Repeat again, even softer. What do you want to do? Where'd you go? You gonna come? Let me see it. Gimme a moment. Good. This is real spoken English. Now let's practice phrasing for longer sentences. Shadow slowly. I'll take care of that when I have a moment. Natural. I'll take care of that when I have a moment. Shadow. I'll take care of that when I have a moment. Next one. If you need help, just let me know. Natural. If you need help, just let me know. Shadow. If you need help, just let me know. Good. Feel how the sentence becomes easier to say when it flows. Now repeat. I'll get it done as soon as I can. Natural. I'll get it done as soon as I can. Shadow. I'll get it done as soon as I can. Beautiful. Take a deep breath. You're absorbing phrasing, not with memory, but with rhythm. Now let's do everyday conversation practice using natural phrasing. Shadow. Hey, how've you been? I've been pretty good. What have you been working on? I've been practicing my English phrasing. Oh, nice. How's that going? It actually feels easier than I thought. That's great to hear. Yeah, I'm starting to speak with more flow. Keep going. You're doing great. Thanks. I appreciate that. Good. One last set of phrasing affirmations. Shadow. My English can flow naturally. My voice can sound calm. My phrasing is improving. My rhythm is developing. My confidence is growing. I am becoming a fluent speaker. Take a slow, final breath. You did beautifully today. You practiced not just words, but flow, rhythm, phrasing, confidence. Your English is becoming smoother. Your voice is becoming stronger. Your phrases are becoming natural. I'm Jack, and I'll see you again in the next Calm English journey inside the Shadowing English Room.